Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me start. Now we can't wait anymore. Thank you very much for joining the session. And just hang on. Bilasha come online now. Um, today's webinar is basically on digital marketing. Digital marketing, basically, there are two aspects. One is the process, and another one is the tools. But today we are discussing about the digital marketing tools. The best part is whoever attend today's this particular webinar, you will get free access to digital marketing tools mastery bundle course. This course is worth rupees 5,000 at the moment, so you are getting all free. But obviously, this is a long program. It has many tools. It has more than 40 different tools, and you really have to work hard. You have to go through them, and you have to learn them. And then once you complete all these 40 different tools, not necessarily 40 different tools, I will show you them, but if you learn, the major core tools out of them, can you hear me? Or is it the same problem for everyone? Isha, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can hear you. Yeah. Somebody is saying yeah.
Okay. Now see, the benefit of this program is once you learn this program, it has more than 40 tools, but not necessarily you learn all 40 tools. I will show you what are the minimum tools that you want to learn, and there are different categories and what tools you want to learn and where you want to specialize, different specialization. You want to specialize in SEO, or you want to specialize in email marketing, or you are specialized in content marketing, you are specialized in sales funnel. So there are different aspects. Obviously, if you can specialize in all of them, that is perfect, very good. If you cannot, then you can choose, so accordingly you can specialize in those tools. I have given you, I will show you these tools, but you have free access to all these tools, 40, more than 40 tools. Now you decide which content or which aspects you want to specialize. Affiliate couldn't specialize, then it's your choice, it's your call, totally your call. Now let me go through my slide. I will share you this slide. Okay, here it comes. I hope you can see this. Can you see my slides, please?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, I just wanted to know. Can you please let me know from which background you people are? The different people. Can you tell me? Can you please show or write in the chat box from which professions you are, so that gives me some ideas. तपाईँले chat box मा यसो लेखिदिनु होला कुन profession बाट. Guys. Okay, education agent, blogger, Maninji is blogger, Bimal Basned, SEO, good, tourism, Sukendra is from tourism, okay, right, good, fair enough. Now, let me introduce once again, this is SK Shrestha, Executive Director and Business Coach, Professional Education Consultancy. My personal website, Business with Biz with SK and Digital SK. Biz with SK is basically for business course, and Digital SK for digital training. Okay, why you should learn digital marketing tools? This because of this COVID, all the business are down. If you talk about the hotel, tourism industry, if you talk about the manufacturing industry, if you talk about the trading industry, all industries down. Aviation industry really crashed. All the industries down. Even in Nepal, also all the industries down. But during this COVID, there's only one industry which is like doing like anything. They are doing pretty good. Even in Nepal also, we never heard some of the, e-commerce platform online stores, and they came up during this COVID time, and they really did very well. Like Kirana, they did very well. Best Sasto deal was doing okay, but particularly in this COVID, they really did very well. Gap e-commerce platform orle gazabko business gareko cha. Now all digital marketing tools mastery
Sir, I guess हजुरको इन्टरनेटमा प्रब्लम भइरहेको छ. Now we can see you. Can you please
yeah, okay.
Please reshare the screen?
Yes. Okay. During this COVID time, or this, if you look at the, the digital marketing or the e-commerce revenue in 2020, amazingly, this is 355,784 million USD. So one of the largest and the fastest growing industry in the world. So this is a big, even in Nepal also, if you look at the digital marketing, okay. So why not you take this opportunity, be part of this? The digital marketing, what are the benefits? Look at the digital marketing is modernized marketing. We know about the traditional, the conventional marketing. Traditional marketing भनेपछि हामीले पेपरमा एडभर्टाइज गर्ने, बिलबोर्ड मा हामीले पहिला के त काठमाडौँमा सो डर्टी काठमाडौँको सबै वालहरु पिलरहरुमा के हुन्थ्यो, प्याम्पलेट हुन्थ्यो, ठुलो पोस्टर टाँसिन्थ्यो. That is all traditional way. Now, traditional advertising or traditional marketing is far behind than digital marketing. In traditional marketing, there are some still there are like a pamphlet banane, brochure banane, it is there. But digital marketing le agadi gaisakeko cha, because this is धेरै benefit also. I just list some of the benefits here. Because this digital marketing is more affordable than traditional marketing and delivers conversion. The benefit of this, you can convert the customers, you can track the customers, track le tapaiko product lai tapaiko business lai man parako cha ki chaina, you can track and you can convert them, easy to track. Offers great interaction, you can interact with the customers. हामीले चाहिँ ब्रोशर निकाल्यो या चाहिँ हामीले पेपरमा एड दियो या बिलबोर्डमा एड दियो भने you don't know how many people looked at that. कति मान्छेले मन परायो, कति मान्छेले चाहिँ त्यसमा चाहिँ वाउ भनेर फिडब्याक के छ, you don't know. पेपरमा एड निस्क्यो, कति मान्छेले हेर्यो, you don't know. कति मान्छेले मन परायो, you don't know. So there is no interaction. But in digital marketing, there is a great interaction. There are lots of platforms which we can use for the interaction. Gives knowledge about the real-time trend. Real-time के भइरहेको छ, अहिले at the moment कुन चाहिँ कम्प्युटर बढी मान्छेले मन पराइरहेको छ, या कुन चाहिँ मुभी बढी मन परिरहेको छ, या कुन चाहिँ बुक बढी मन परिरहेको छ, कस्तो खालको कस्टमरले मन परिरहेको छ, कस्टमरको क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक यु क्यान नो, कुन एज बारले मन पराएको छ, जेन्डर कस्तो खालको छ, कुन जियोग्राफीबाट छ, even like how many people visited my site this day today, today Wednesday, अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ कुन जेन्डरको छ, कुन एजको छ, that I can go through all this detail. That's the benefit of digital marketing. Target audience reach. हामीले चाहिँ पेपरमा एड निकाल्दाखेरि this is visible to everybody, Chinese पनि हेर्छ, नचाल पनि हेरिरहेको हुन्छ, so you don't know. But in digital marketing, at least you can reach. Okay, मलाई यो खालको मलाई audience चाहियो, 25 वर्षदेखि 50 वर्षको audience चाहियो, अथवा 50 देखि 70 वर्षको मेरो audience चाहियो, यो खालको ब्याकग्राउन्ड बिजनेस वालाहरु चाहियो, या चाहिँ सर्भिस होल्डर चाहियो, या पोलिटिशियन चाहियो. So you can target, you can define your audience and you can target them and you can reach them. This is the beauty of this one. And improve customer relation, obviously, because you can interaction. Mathi Bhanna offers great interaction, so you can interact with your customers. So once you interact with your customers, you can hold them, you know, you can make them, you can give the value addition, that lots of benefits. In traditional marketing, there is no customer relations. You cannot build, you know, you cannot reach them. But in digital marketing, you can reach to them. कुनै पनि सर्भिसमा कुनै पनि प्रोडक्ट होस् यसमा रिच गर्न नसकिने भन्ने नै छैन. You just name it, you know. यसमा even spiritual leaders also, even therapists, psychologists, magicians, lawyers, teachers, everybody can reach to your customers. This is the beauty of digital marketing. Watch out for competitors. Competitors के गरिरहेको छ, पटिको यो competitor, मेरो competitors, मेरो industryको competitors ले कस्तो perform गरिरहेको छ, business कस्तो गरिरहेको छ, that I can watch, and accordingly I can plan, you know, I can prepare my strategy. Build brand reputation. Brand reputation, you can do lots of activities digitally that helps to build up your brand, your personal brand and your corporate brand. Okay, what you can do after this digital mastery program, what you can do, increase your business in terms of revenue growth. I know lots of insurance agent people, you know, my friends, all they can use the digital marketing tools, limited, okay, not necessarily all the tools, but limited tools they can use and then grow in business. If you're in travel business, you can do that. Even if you're a blogger, I know some blogger here, you can education agent, they can do travel business, you can do. There are so many platforms, and then you can use them, you know, as per your requirement to increase your business. Better job opportunity with high pay. These days, digital marketing experts are in high demand. That's why they get high pay. If you talk about the creative designs, you know, the graphic designers, they get not less than 50,000 a month. That's pretty good salary. So if you are really good in digital marketing, you just demand your salary. You know, it's not that they offer and you accept. It's that you demand that you want this much salary. So this is the opportunity. Nepalma digital marketing experts ko ekdamai khaँचो छ. तपाईले भन्नुहुन्छ भने why I started learning this, because I really had a big, you know, crisis with digital marketing experts for my company. मेरो कम्पनीको लागि digital marketing experts मैले नपाएर I had to go to India and recruit, you know, I had to sign contract with the company out there to deliver the service for my company. मैले इन्डियाको मान्छे हायर गर्नु परेको थियो नपाएर. नेपालमा त्यो नभएपछि then I decided, okay, I have to learn myself, and then at this moment I'm learning digital marketing since last 2 years, and within these 2 years I have really learned a lot. Then I can now work for my own company. You know, त्यसमा सानो सानो integrity कुरा नभए पनि at least strategic planning my execution ma, you know, I can use my brain. I can sit with my team and discuss and prepare a plan. Start your own agency. Obviously, you can work from home. This is remote working. You can now you have access to the digital marketing field all over the world. You can give the service. So you can start either your own agency or you can work from home, single person. There are lots of people जसले चाहिँ घरमा बसेर आफ्नो घरमा बसेर दिनभरि आफ्नो हिसाब किताबले whatever time you can manage, you manage it. Freelancer, घरमा बसेर काम गरेर you are earning big money. Lots of people are there all over the world who are doing that. You know, there are lots of platforms who give access to your expertise. What is your expertise? Content writing expertise hogi, designing expertise hogi, video editing expertise hogi. There are lots of free platforms where you can register yourself with your expertise. And they you know, lots of people, they visit and then they ask for a job as per your skill, and then you offer the service, you offer the price and work, and then done. You know, this is working like that. Simply you need one good laptop, you know, with high graphics and all that, and you can work from home. Lots of people are doing in Nepal, lots of people are doing all over the world. We have taken the service with these kind of people. We have worked with one person from India, we have worked with person from Middle East, we have worked with the person from Pakistan also. We have given them service for the designing and all that, and they did our job and they send us back. So this is a really fantastic platform. You know, just you need to really work hard and focus on that. Now, area of expertise. See, what are the areas that you can work in? You can work in SEM or SEO. You know, both. The SEO is particularly the organic, and SEM is the this is like paid. You know, this is the search engine marketing. So for this, you need to use the paid modules. The creatives, you can design, you can web pages, you can do landing pages and all that. You can be expert on content marketing, the bloggers and the video creation. The email marketing is another very big platform. Sales funnel expert, you can design sales funnels for a particular company, for the marketing. The video influencer and social media expert, we all use Facebook, we all use Insta, but I don't know how many of you use LinkedIn. How many of you have registered yourself in Quora? I don't know. How many of you have LinkedIn profile? Can you please write here? How many of you have LinkedIn profile? If you don't mind. LinkedIn profile. How many of you have LinkedIn profile? Sukendraji, you have Manin, you have been Bimal Basnet, Navin Tamrakar, Namaskar Navinji, Pratima Keshi, hello Pratima. Okay, if you are a professional, okay, if you are in business or service, you need to have LinkedIn. This is very, very strong, and this is a platform where lots of people trust on this, they believe on this. The information that you write on LinkedIn profile is considered to be a very, very authentic. So based on those information, you can do your promotion, you can get the business, you can offer the business also, okay? So please update your LinkedIn profile. You can please register in Quora also. Quora is also a very good platform where you can put up and you can answers from your expertise, okay? If you are an insurance agent, there may be lots of questions, you can put up those questions yourself and you can answer also. You can, why not? You can give your ideas on blogging, how to write blogging, how to start blogging, then you can, you can have your own personal branding through this Quora also, even through LinkedIn also. If you are in travel business, why not write about your company in Quora, or ask about your travel, why not put some questions about the travel opportunities or the trekking routes in Nepal, That's why you can, people will, at least those people who read your article, your questions, your answer, they will come to know your company, and then obviously once they read about your company, they can contact you also. So that's why you can do your business also. So social media expert, I will show you what are the tools, it has. So video editor and online digital marketing coach, you can be an online digital marketing coach is unbelievable. Is growing so fast, because lots of people are interested in online digital marketing. Not necessarily that these days you go to the physical class and attend the class, sit for 2 to 3 hours. No, if you look at the digital marketing, the most popular digital marketing tools, they all are online these days. You just log in whenever you are free, you just attend the class, do yourself. Obviously they have some regular classes also on their time, you need to be there that time, but the rest of the time is free. Whenever you do, this is your choice, so you can deliver this online digital marketing course also. You can design online digital marketing course also, and then you can deliver. I will show you the tools, what are the tools that you can use to design a digital marketing course or any other course and deliver. Not necessarily you need to deliver online digital marketing, but other thing also. So if you're a very good math teacher, why not? You design online mathematics coaching. You can design a course and deliver online. Physics, deliver online. English teacher, deliver online. If you are if you have a yoga teacher, design your course, deliver online. If you are an insurance instructor, deliver online. They are the tools, and these tools are very fantastic, very easy. You just need to know the content, just put the content, rest they will do. Now I will go to another, this one. slide, I will show you one more. This one. This is okay. Can you see my slides, please? Can you see this? Can you see this? Please answer. Yes. Okay. Good. So this is also one of the tools that I'm using is Mind Master. Okay. This is Mind Master is a mind mapping tool. This is free. I have used it free, and you can upgrade it, and then you can pay also. But you know, here I can put $100 up to 100 boxes. So if you need more than 100, then you can pay. Otherwise, this is free. And for me, this is good enough, you know. Now see, digital marketing tools mastery bundle, what it includes. It includes digital marketing tools, email marketing tools, SEO tools for higher rank in Google organically. I told you again, SEO is for organic, search engine optimization. This is organically you can do. When we talk about organically, you should know about the keywords, you know. So how to find those keywords, there are some tools, I will show you that. The SEM is search engine marketing, paying Google to rank on top keyword base. This is also on keyword base, but obviously SEM is expensive. You have to pay for them. You have to pay to Google, okay? The web analytics, and then video editing tools. If you are interested in video editing, go for it. Advertising tools, I will show you them. Online learning management system. I'm developing one course on the sales, you know, how to increase your sales. That is, I think in 60 days by 50%. This is a course that I'm designing. It will be online. I'm using this platform. The podcasting tools, the lead generation prospecting, this is very, very important for people who really go for the advertising in Facebook and the Instagram or any other thing, you know. The video conferencing that I'm doing now at the moment, video conferencing, I'm using Zoom, okay? There are other platforms also you can use and the PPC. Now see here, digital marketing tools, see what you have here, okay? You have Insta page. This is a program, this is a software, this is an app, you can see. This is Insta page for landing page designing, okay? Insta page is a fabulous apps, but this is paid one, okay? Insta page offers you maybe 14 days trial. अहिले COVID को time मा request गरे भने maybe they can extend up to 1 month, 30 days free trial. But for learning, this is fantastic. It is very easy to use, you know, everything is there. You just click, paste, edit, type, that's all, you know, this is very easy. And that really helps you to design a very, very beautiful, very attractive designs. And you can integrate your payment gateway also, you know. In Nepal, we have only eSewa and Khalti and some banking payment system also. You can talk to them and you can have their integration in the online payment system. You can integrate in the Insta page also. And if you want free, you know, if you want free landing page, you can go to WordPress and MailChimp. WordPress, in my last this webinar, I talked about the WordPress. So you can, WordPress is a website, you know, you can have your WordPress, this one website. You need to host, you need a hosting company and you need a domain. And after that, you can design your website in WordPress. In WordPress, there are hundreds of themes, you know, beautiful themes. You can choose any one of them and you can design also. You can design landing page there also. And once you have WordPress theme, for landing page designing is free. It charges nothing. It's only that you need to work on WordPress. Similarly, MailChimp also, this is email marketing tool, MailChimp. MailChimp also offers landing pages. You can do landing pages in MailChimp also. These are popular one, you know. There are other tools also. You can use them if you want, but WordPress and MailChimp is quite popular. Since I'm doing blogging, even in blogging also, you know, the bloggers.com, you can do landing page on bloggers.com also. I do landing page on bloggers.com. I do landing page on WordPress also. But there are lots of people, they do landing page in MailChimp also. They do landing page in WordPress also. But if you want to run digital marketing agency, then I prefer to go for Instapage. This is a bit expensive, but very good, very useful, very attractive. Zapier for marketing automation. Zapier is one of the very popular and very top performing tool, you know, where you can integrate all your system, your web page, your landing page, your CRM, your MailChimp, whatever you have, everything you can integrate together, and you can develop a complete automatic system. So Zapier is a very comprehensive tool. If you want to have complete automation, go for Zapier, but you need to learn it very seriously. And in this free mastery tool, you have a class for Zapier also, so you can do that obviously. Google for survey, if you want to collect some information, get some information, do some survey, basic survey. Google form is very effective, very easy, you know, and it's free of cost. In Google, you just go, you know, if you have Gmail account, you can have your Google form survey from there, a questionnaire, and then you can get the answer also. It present a very beautiful, the report also, you know, with graphics. So this is free of cost, and this is amazing. And for the beginners, this is very good, you know. For MindMaster, say MindMaster for mind mapping. MindMaster is a paid one. They obviously they have some free version also for mind mapping, but I found this MindMaster is very good, which I'm using now. This is all MindMaster. So I found it very useful, very easy, and it's a free, in a way free, you know. I have not paid anything, you know. You can use free, so why not? And this another one is Canva. Canva is again another very strong tool for designing, you know. For graphic design, what you do, Photoshop or freehand, I think. I don't know how to use Photoshop or how to use freehand. I have never learned. It's very complicated for me. I have to get lots of time for that. So I can't focus on that, but Canva is a very easy tool. Again, it has also free, you know, version. And if you pay also, this is not expensive. So if you want to have your own agency, then I suggest to go for the Canva. It is very easy. It has lots of, you know, the free, this one, the formats there. Again, you know, just edit, put whatever you want, and then create a very beautiful design. We are using Canva. We are using Canva for our company. So this is a very easy tool. Our marketing team head, she is using Canva, and this is a very fantastic one. Okay. Now another one is email marketing tool. For email marketing, see the ConvertKit for email marketing. ConvertKit is again, this is a very helpful tool for the conversion also. That's when the name itself is a ConvertKit, you know. See, simply lead generation, once you have email of your customers, that is a lead for you, okay? But if you do not convert that lead into customer, if those prospects of those email owners do not buy product or service from you, what's the use of that, you know? So until unless you get the conversion, until unless it turn into your customer, there's no use. And ConvertKit can help you on that. ConvertKit can help you sending email and tracking the response, whether they have opened or not, and the convert up to the conversion. But ConvertKit is a paid version. Even MailChimp also paid version. MailChimp is a bit cheaper. MailChimp is simply for the sending the emails and track them whether they have opened or not, what percentage they have opened, what percentage have not opened or they replied, you know. So MailChimp is quite popular in Nepal. So that is also one of the popular tools which you can use. You can use both ConvertKit and MailChimp. So in the class, yeah, they offer lesson on this also. So you can learn. In SEO tools, see SEO tools, I told you this is for the organic growth or the high ranking in Google organically. Organically means you don't need to pay, okay? When you don't want to spend money, you need to focus on the keywords, okay? You have to write, you have to show those keywords in all your contents, in your website, in your designs, in your blogging, in your vlogging, wherever, okay? Now, what kind of these keywords you need to choose? What kind of the keywords will be helpful to uplift your ranking in Google organically, these are the tools. If you look at here, Google Search Console, you just register in the Google Search Console and look at the search, there's a keyword for your profession. If you are a yoga teacher, then you can look at the keywords in yoga teacher. If you have insurance agent, look at the keywords in insurance agent. If you are travel agents, look at the keywords in travel agent. You know, in my previous webinar, I talked about the short keywords and long tail keywords, short tail keywords and long tail keywords. What is the difference? What are the benefits? Always try to have long tail keywords with more description. If you are a yoga teacher, if you simply put yoga teacher, there may be millions of websites with yoga teacher, you know, that cannot lead to your website. So it doesn't help you in your Google ranking. If you write yoga teacher in Nepal, or yoga teacher for teenagers, or yoga teacher for pregnant women, you know, be more specific, keep long tail keywords, that will help, you know, that will, when people look at yoga teachers for women, search in Google and then they will show your result and you have more choice. I mean, you have more chances of doing business. So Google Search Console is also a tool, you know, and Uber Suggest is fantastic. This is a very good one. So this is also a tool. It has a free version also. It has a paid version also. You know, it has a time limit for 14 days or 30 days they offer. And Answer the Public is a fantastic one. You just put the keyword there. It will show you how, why, when, what, you know, with those questions. You can try this. Answer the Public. Obviously, I cannot show all of them, but when after this webinar, you can try. SEMrush is a very good one, but this is for only the professionals, you know, the high professionals. Once you run the agency and you are doing good, you start earning money, then go for SEMrush, because SEMrush is expensive, but this is a very good tool. Okay, but at the moment, Answer the Public you can use. It's a very good tool. Uber Suggest is a very good tool. Google Search Console obviously is not that, you know, you don't pay for that. You can do that. So SEM. SEM is for the keyword based. You know, this is search engine marketing. In the Google, when you search, they will display the ads. Okay. Ads when you open the Google, you know, whether you search or not, once you open the Google, on the right side they will display different ads, you know. So all these ads are for the SEM category because they have paid for that. When you search for the yoga teachers in Kathmandu, they will display the yoga teachers in Kathmandu. At the same time, they will display the ads. You know, those yoga connected, yoga related companies or yoga related teachers, they will display ads on that. So all these are SEM. SEM is expensive. So I really don't recommend you unless you have a good budget for SEM. This is expensive. Better to focus on social marketing and then social media marketing and SEO only. SEM is quite expensive. Initially, I don't recommend, but obviously if you have good budget, then why not, you know. Web analytics, performance of the websites. This is what is the, you know, what is the ranking of the websites? What are the what are the like the backlinks? What are the keywords and all that is a web analytics. Web analytics is a very complicated process, even though there are tools that they do. Google Analytics is free of cost. You know, it's easily available. So the most popular is Google Analytics because this is free. You can do web analytics. Just go and type your website there. It will give the result. You know, Google Data Institute, these are the same. But if you want to really be professional and earn money, Google Web Analytics is not a primary, you know, the segment where you can focus. It can be one of the tool, you know. But Web Analytics may focus गरेर म त्यसमै करियर बनाउँछु भन्ने चाहिँ त्यति prospect नहोला. But just learn it, how to do the web analysis. Video editing tools is another one which is very, very popular. You can do video editing my interest भएको, video editing ma focus गरेर video editing ma career बनाउँछु भन्ने भनेदेखि video editing को very good scope छ. Video editing को लागि there are lots of free tools, but this is one Camtasia भने. This is a very good, very good. Obviously, राम्रो चीज free मा आउँदैन, so you have to pay for this. Camtasia is quite popular, so you can look at, you know, Camtasia मा गएर free लिनु, 14 days को free प्राय सबैले दिएको हुन्छ. 14 days को free लिनु, चलाएर हेर्नु, if it good enough, do it. If you don't find good, then leave it. After 14 days, त्यसो पनि expire भइहाल्छ. But there are lots of other free tools. You can use these free tools. सबैमा पे नै गर्नुपर्छ जरुरी छैन. Advertising tools advertising tools is the one way you need to focus, because यसमा कम्पनीहरुले धेरै पैसा खनाएको हुन्छ, धेरै बजेटिङ हुन्छ, र धेरै कम्पनीले सोशल यो एडभर्टाइजिङ गरेको हुन्छ, गर्नै पर्छ हैन. यसमा के छ भन्दाखेरि there are Facebook ads, which is number one, obviously. Instagram पनि पर्छ, Instagram ads पर्छ, Twitter ads पर्छ, LinkedIn ads पर्छ, Quora ads पर्छ, र Reddit ads. Reddit is, यहाँ हामीलाई कतिले सुनेको छैन Reddit, but Reddit is behind Facebook अहिले. Facebook ad is number one in a social platform. त्यसपछि Reddit पर्छ, is similar to Facebook. तर Redditले also doing very good in many countries, so just behind Facebook you can check. Okay. तर हाम्रो कन्टेक्स्टमा यहाँ if you look at Facebook is very popular. हामी जति पनि ad हेर्छौं, जति पनि ad गर्छौं, that is in Facebook ads, right? त्यस्तै गरेर Instagram is becoming very popular these days. Youngsters particularly, teenage मान्छेहरु चाहिँ they are more busy, more engaged in Instagram ads. Instagram because Instagram there are so many good options, you know. Instagram story भन्यो के भन्यो, IGT, Instagram TV भन्ने छ, IGTV भन्ने छ. So there are lots of additional options in Instagram. So Instagram is becoming quite popular, particularly in the teenagers. So why not anything related to teenagers, product or service हो भने Instagram can be a very good media also. So Instagram मा गर्न सकिन्छ, Twitter मा गर्न सकिन्छ. Twitter is अलिकति प्रोफेसनल, अलिकति सिनियर मान्छेहरुले युज गर्ने भयो. LinkedIn profiles, LinkedIn is seen. मैले अघि नै भने LinkedIn is considered to be very authentic platform. त्यहाँ लेखेका कुराहरु, त्यहाँ भनेका कुराहरु, यो प्रोफाइल considered to be very authentic. LinkedIn मा गएर lead generation भने, if you look at here the lead generation and prospecting मा, त्यसमा LinkedIn can be very useful, whereas Facebook, Instagram तिनीहरुमा चाहिँ युज गर्न सकिदैन, Quora मा युज गर्न सकिदैन, Reddit मा युज गर्न सकिदैन. But lead generation को लागि LinkedIn can be a very good platform. LinkedIn मा गएर आफ्नो related customer को छ भनेर you can extract the information, you can extract the data. उनीहरुको टेलिफोन नम्बर, उनीहरुको इमेलहरु हामीले चाहिँ lead generation prospecting मा टुलहरु छ, त्यो टुलबाट हामी एक्सट्र्याक्ट गर्न सक्छौं. Then you can send them email. LinkedIn मा भएका इमेल र टेलिफोनमा हामीले कन्ट्याक्ट गरेर पठाउँदाखेरि there is no privacy breach, because LinkedIn मा भएका सबै इन्फर्मेसनहरु this is open to public. हैन, Facebook मा भएको इन्फर्मेसन open to public. त्यसकारण LinkedIn मा भएको इमेलमा किन इमेल गरेको भनेर they cannot ask you. Facebook मा भएको कुनै आफ्नो कन्ट्याक्ट डिटेल्समा किन पठाएको भनेर they cannot ask you. They cannot ask the question. They cannot raise the questions. Okay? So LinkedIn can be a very good tool for you. अर्को online learning digital marketing system. See, online learning market management system is if you want to go for online training, आफ्नो कुनै पनि प्रोडक्ट छ भने त्यो प्रोडक्टलाई यदि अनलाइनमा लाने हो भनेदेखि then use these tools. Otherwise it's not necessary. मैले अघि नै सुरुमा भने you don't need to use all of them. Use some of them and focus on that. Okay? Thinkific is one of them. Thinkific is cheaper than Kajabi, but Kajabi ma feri आफ्नै गजबको टुलहरु छ. I'm using Kajabi to develop my online course. Okay? So Thinkific पनि युज गर्न सकिन्छ. Thinkific मा more video related कुराहरु छ. Kajabi मा चाहिँ टेक्स्टहरु पनि छ. So if you are more textual, then go for Kajabi. If video खालको related कुराहरु more छ भनेदेखि go for the Thinkific. You can try. Kajabi ले त basically it gives you 30 days free trial. मेरो 30 days को free trial सक्यो. Then I send email कि COVID ले गर्दाखेरि म चाहिँ I'm not in a position to offer, and they extended one more month, you know, so I have one more month free trial. So you can do that also. So Thinkific ले पनि, so they might do that 14 days trial, 30 days trial गरिरहेको हुन्छ. कुनै पनि पेडमा जानु भन्दा अगाडि try free one. फ्री भर्सनलाई ट्राई गर्नु 14 डेज त मिनिमम सबैले दिएको हुन्छ ट्राई 14 डेज फ्री भर्सन आफूले हेर्नु युजेबल छ कि छैन युजर फ्रेन्डली छ कि छैन आफूले कस्तो लाग्यो द बेस्ड अन द्याट go for the premium one upgrade or pay गर्ने otherwise not necessary podcast tools say podcast is another one which is becoming very popular now podcast is nothing हामी ब्लगिङमा चाहिँ हामीले के गर्छौं भिडियो अपलोड गर्छौं भन्ने पोडकास्टिङमा हामी के गर्छौं भोइस अपलोड गर्छौं ओके पोडकास्टिङमा देयर आर लट्स अफ फ्री टुल्स धेरै फ्री टुल्स छ one of them is anchor so you can use anchor apps download गर्नु रेकर्ड गर्नु just put and upload in your Facebook upload in your website आफ्नो चाहिँ लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइलमा आफ्नो कोरा प्रोफाइलमा ट्विटरमा सबै ठाउँमा चाहिँ पोडकास्ट युज गर्न सकिन्छ पोडकास्ट यु क्यान क्रिएट अ स्टोरी you can create your one story you can just say whatever you want you know your version कुनै टपिकमा लिएर गर्न सकिन्छ अहिलेको कोभिड पछि के हुन्छ भन्ने कुरामा you can have your views and record in podcast and then do it you know so this is popular भइरहेको tool हो see lead generation again this is very important very crucial digital marketing कुनै पनि digital marketing मा lead generation prospecting is very necessary lead generation नभइकन हामी जति पनि फेसबुक मा एड गर्छौं किन फेसबुक अभियसली एड गर्ने देयर डिफरेंट पर्पस है एउटा चाहिँ ब्रान्ड बिल्डिङ को लागि हुन सक्छ एउटा एंगेजमेन्ट को लागि हुन सक्छ एउटा ट्राफिक को लागि हुन सक्छ अर्को लीड जेनेरेसन लाई हुन सक्छ बट लीड जेनेरेसन नभइकन यु क्यानट कन्भर्ट कन्भर्जन हुन सक्दैन कन्भर्जन नभइकन बिजनेस हुन सक्दैन सो अल्टिमेटली लीड जेनेरेसन इज द डेस्टिनी यु नो दैट इज द लास्ट डेस्टिनेसन lead generation नभइकन बिजनेस हुँदैन प्लिज रिमेम्बर दिस lead generation गर्नको लागि there are different tools you can use these tools त्यसमा स्नोभियो भन्ने छ SNOV sorry let me correct it the small mistake I don't see that okay SNOV Snowvio snov.io Snowvio is a very useful very user friendly tool very popular one यसमा you can plan everything as म 10 जनालाई इमेल पठाउँछु त्यसपछि भोलि अर्को 50 जनालाई इमेल पठाउँछु उले एक दिन पछि within 24 hours उले रेस्पोन्स गरेन भने फेरि इमेल जान्छ उले कस्तो खालको रेस्पोन्स गर्छ यस रेस्पोन्स गर्यो भने त्यो खालको इमेल जाने नो गर्यो भने त्यो खालको इमेल जाने 3 दिनसम्म पनि वेट गर्ने पठाएन रेस्पोन्स गरेन भने फेरि इमेल पठाउनु all these plans you can do in Snowvio सही मा गेट प्रस्पेक्ट गर्ने फाइन्ड दैट लीड मा पनि गर्न सकिन्छ Snowvio मा you can make that plan Mailchimp ma pani garna sakincha if you look at the email marketing ma but Snowvio is much better Snowvio paid ho get prospect pani paid ho find the lead pani paid ho Snowvio get prospect find in यो सबै टुलहरुले you can use to extract the lead from their personal profile like LinkedIn ma get prospect बाट LinkedIn मा गएर LinkedIn बाट उनीहरुको इमेलहरु एक्सट्र्याक्ट गर्न सकिन्छ होन्डा भन्ने कम्पनीमा गएर होन्डा भन्ने कम्पनीको इमेल अफिसियल इमेलहरु एक्सट्र्याक्ट गर्न सकिन्छ त्यहाँको मार्केटिङको म्यानेजरको जति पनि पब्लिक इमेलहरु छ त्यो सबै इमेलहरु एक्सट्र्याक्ट गर्न सकिन्छ विथ देयर नेम देन यु क्यान सी ओके आउट अफ दिस आई हैव टु सेन्ड इमेल टु 4 जना मान्छेलाई म इमेल पठाउँछु मेक अ लिस्ट पुट इन योर सिस्टम आफ्नो स्नोभियोमा गेट प्रोस्पेक्टमा या मेलचीमा जहाँ ह्यापन हुन्छ एन्ड सिस्टम आफैले चाहिँ इमेल पठाउँछ सो फाइन्ड द लीड अल्सो फ्रम द नेम also find that lead for me भनेर भन्ने हो LinkedIn प्रोफाइल मा या अरु प्रोफाइल मा गएर that will help you to find the leads okay so Snowvio guest prospect find that lead all that you can use but all are paid tools there's no free tools in this but if you really want to run your agency this is very important you have to have them कुनै पनि एउटा personally Snowvio I found better or get prospect also good one to extract the lead from their profile यो भयो भिडियो कन्फरेन्सिङ को लागि what we are using in video conferencing Zoom is quite popular Google Meet पनि गरिन्छ अर्को Microsoft पनि छ गरे I haven't used Microsoft Google Meet yes मेरो रोटरी को मिटिङ मा हामी मोस्टली Google Meet युज गर्छौं युनिभर्सिटीहरुले Google Meet युज गर्छ बट हाम्रो अफिसको काममा चाहिँ we are using Zoom user friendly very easy I think 40 minutes की कति फ्री दिएको हुन्छ त्यसपछि चाहिँ on top of that disconnect भयो भने फेरि you can reconnect if you want internet service you have to pay which is nominal I think $15 कति छ per month which is pretty nominal PPC what's there Yes, now also we're using Zoom. Nishal Shresthaजीले illustration and Photoshop भन्नुभएको छ. त्यो creative designing को लागि illustration and Photoshop, yes, designing को लागि हो त्यो. Photoshop and illustration for me is really complicated, you know, it's difficult to learn. मलाई चाहिँ गाह्रो लाग्यो त्यो learn गर्नको लागि. Whereas Canva is very easy. That's why I use Canva. हामीले अफिसमा Canva युज गर्छ हामी आफूले डिजाइन गर्दाखेरि. Otherwise अरूले गर्दाखेरि त they use Photoshop. PPC भनेको this is paid ad, okay? Pay per click. तपाईहरुले हामीले यो वेबिनार को पनि हामीले फेसबुकमा एड गरेको थियौं. तपाईहरुले एडमा क्लिक गरिसकेपछि it charge, you know, we have to pay for that. So PPC चाहिँ that goes in Facebook ads, that goes in Google ads also. Google ads को PPC is expensive. Comparatively Facebook ads is cheaper. That's why mostly people मान्छेहरुले चाहिँ Facebook ad युज गर्छ. हामी पनि Facebook ad युज गर्छौं. Google ad भन्दा Facebook ad को रिच पनि राम्रो छ र सस्तो पनि भएको हुनाले we use more Facebook ads. But कहिलेकाहीँ Google ad पनि युज गर्ने पनि हुन्छ. सर्च गर्दाखेरि मान्छेले सर्च गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो ad देखोस् भनेर हामीले गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. So PPC is also another tool. But PPC मै expertise भन्ने हुँदैन. PPC can be one of the tool मात्रै हो. So but there are so many different areas. अब कुनमा गर्ने it is your choice. Okay? म email marketing मा गर्छु भनेदेखि that's you do it. Email marketing को पनि बहुत जरुरी छ. SEO मा expertise हुन्छु भन्यो भने पनि you can do. यहाँ हाम्रो यहाँ someone is SEO expert I guess. Digital automation चाहिँ नेपालमा के छ भने सेल्स फनेललाई अटोमेट गर्ने चाहिँ मैले एक्सपर्टको बहुतै खाँचो देखेको छु. मैले इनफ्याक्ट त एकजना पनि देखाएको छैन. मेरो कन्ट्याक्टमा नआएको होला हैन. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि आई रियली सजेस्ट यु सेल्स फनेललाई अटोमेसन गर्ने कुराहरुमा, लीड जेनेरेसनलाई अटोमेसन गर्ने कुराहरुमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले गर्नुभयो भने धेरै राम्रो स्कोप छ. क्रिएटिभ सबै धेरै राम्रो स्कोप छ. कन्टेन्ट मार्केटिङ, कन्टेन्ट क्रिएसनमा धेरै राम्रो स्कोप छ. मैले अघि नै भने कन्टेन्ट र डिजाइनिङको लागि वी आउटसोर्स हामीले चाहिँ बाहिरबाट आउटसोर्स गरेको थियौं. सो नेपालमा त्यसको चाहिँ रियली हैव अ गुड स्कोप. तर डिजिटल मार्केटिङ इज नट लिमिटेड टु नेपाल. ओके, डिजिटल मार्केटिङ इज ग्लोबली. सो म नेपालको लागि मात्र गर्छु भन्ने त्यो कन्सेप्टमा नजानु. डिजिटल मार्केटिङ इज ग्लोबली मलाई अघि नै भने संसारको कुनै पनि सेक्टरमा, कुनै पनि सेगमेन्ट, कुनै पनि पार्टमा चाहिँ यु क्यान गिभ द सर्भिस. हामीले पाकिस्तानको मान्छेलाई काम दियौं, हामीले इन्डियाको मान्छेलाई काम दियौं, हामीले मिडल इस्टको मान्छेलाई काम दियौं. अब त्यो वेबसाइटमा हेर्दाखेरि जो पनि पढ्न सक्छ. हामीले उनीहरुको प्रोफाइल हेर्ने, उनीहरुको काम हेर्ने अनि जसलाई काम दिन मन छ काम दिने हो हैन. सो मेबी one of them can be you. ओके, घरमै बसेर मजाले काम गर्न सकिन्छ अहिलेको कन्टेक्स्टमा. घरमा बसेर काम गर्दाखेरि द बेनिफिट इज देयर इज नो अपरेशनल एक्सपेन्सेस. घरको त्यो बाहिर जाँदाखेरि रेन्ट परेन हैन, नथिङ. यु डोन्ट नीड टु हायर स्टाफ. यो काम गर्नको लागि सिम्पली यु क्यान स्टार्ट सिंगल. आफैले काम गर्न सुरु गर्न सकिन्छ. काम गर्दै जाँदाखेरि भोलि काम बढ्दै गएपछि यु क्यान ह्याभ द पिपल, यु क्यान ह्याभ अफिस एन्ड एभ्रिथिङ दैट यु क्यान डु. तर यु क्यान स्टार्ट अन योर ओन. एकैजनाबाट सुरु गर्न सकिन्छ. So this is all about digital marketing tools. Now I'll go back to my slide once again. Esma, join our digital learners group. This is the link. Please look at the link. Isha, can you share this link in the chat box? Your link ma tapaile please your follow garnus, like garnus, register garnus. We are coming up with lots of other free trainings. For free workshop and training, all will be digital learning ko lagi. Idea sharing, the group group you can share the ideas. We'll create a WhatsApp group also. The group ma chahi tapaile आफ्नो queries, आफ्नो चाहिँ interest haru, आफ्नो feedback, आफ्नो problem share गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. The group बाट people can do. मैले जुन online platform बाट मैले सिकिरहेको छु. Your group man, there are 800 people. 800 is a big number, so it's divided into 4 groups. 200 jana group cha. Group 1 ma chu. Group 1 ma there are 200 digital marketeers. Okay. Iska malai kunai pani kura jannu cha bhande I just put in that group. Isma ekachoti 10-15 jana 50 jana manchele chai ulle response garcha, ulle suggest garcha. Do this, do that, do this bhanera suggest garcha. So this is a very good platform. So same ways, you know, so free ma idea sharing huncha, free ma feedback आउँछ भनेपछि why not? So please do. Our upcoming training, what we're going to do is a Facebook Mastery को training. We are going to give you the training for Facebook Mastery. त्यस्तै गरी Video Influencer Mastery को पनि Video Influencer Mastery is one of the very top, very effective tool for the business promotion. यसको पनि we are coming up. हामी either Facebook Mastery, either Facebook Mastery or Video Influence Mastery. त्यो तपाईहरुले फेरि यसरी नै वेबमा गर्छौं. तपाईहरुले फेरि त्यो कोर्स will give you the free. Okay. त्यसपछि अब यहाँ आज जति पनि प्रोग्राम एटेन्ड गर्नु भएको छ, you guys, you will get a free access to the your digital marketing tools mastery. Right? How to access that? यहाँ जति पनि छ, you will get the email. Then I will show you how to go into this. Okay. Okay. You will get this link. Okay. This is course. This is basically worth up to $999, but now we are offering free. Okay. So you will have a direct entry into this free one, right? We'll share you the link. And you click the link, and you will reach here. You will land in this landing page. This is a landing page, basically. You know, see, in this landing page also you have, but this is preview only. It doesn't show the details. Okay, it's a preview only. So what you need to do, please remember, you need to enroll in course. Click here. Smart click करने. Then you will reach to registration. Okay, this is your login. You write your name. For example, is requester. My password. And agree. Sign up. That's all. What's wrong? This is email ID use. I don't know whether it works or not. Isha, I'm using your email. If you have not registered already.
I might have registered.
Already registered?
Yes,
can someone give me email?
Yeah, Pratima, if you're there, can you please give your email address? Can you use council7@professional.edu.np?
Council7
@professional.edu.np.
One, two, three, four,
Personal
five, six,
email or work email, anything will work. Don't worry.
Yeah, any email, okay? Yeah, okay. So thank you for enrolling in this course. You have already enrolled. You please remember your ID, this ID and your email, and then your password. Okay. In this case, I have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whose email is this? I don't know. So continue to course. See, now you are here. Okay. This is your course. Now look at how many courses you have. See. Oh, this is Facebook Ad Mastery. Okay, this is the Facebook Ad Mastery that we are doing in the second stage. But Isha, can you share this link? Where is this?
Yeah, sure, sir.
This one, the digital marketing one. This is the Facebook one. This is it. This I'll be doing in the second stage, not here now.
Okay. Just a second.
The digital marketing, the free one, Isha, can you share that?
Yeah, I'm sharing it. It's in the chat box, everyone. Oops, sorry.
Basically, you need to send the email to them.
Yeah, I'll send an email as well to everyone.
This is basically my course. Okay, I'm doing this course. Okay. So you will get a link. You will get a link for this digital marketing tools mastery. Okay, and once you register, you'll reach here. As you reached, you landed in the Facebook mastery. You'll land up here also. Okay, this is my page, not yours, but you will land up here. The digital marketing tools. What you have? InstaPage. You have Zapier. You have OnBounce, your Typeform, your Optimost, mine. So many. The Canva is here. But not necessarily all of them. As I told you, InstaPage, you go with InstaPage, learn InstaPage, you learn Zapier, you learn Unbounce, okay? Typeform also is okay. Then you go to Canva. Canva is a very good one, okay? Then if you have time, go with all. If you don't have time, leave it. Email marketing tool, I told you, go for the ConvertKit. Please look at the ConvertKit or Active Campaign also you can do. Active Campaign it has integration with CRM. Am I sharing this?
No,
I don't think I'm
yeah,
sharing
your
this.
screen has not been shared.
Okay. Yeah, now see. Can you see this?
Yes.
Can you see this, please?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, this is the page where you land, okay? And in this, you have all these other things that you are getting free from today. So right from this evening, today from 9 o'clock, you can after lunch, after dinner, you can start your lessons, okay? The digital marketing 0%. So as you start, it has to be 100%, okay? Once you complete 100%, then you will get a certificate also, digital certificate also. If you do not complete 100%, you won't get certificate, but if you complete 100%, you get a digital certificate also, okay? So here I was talking about InstaPage. This is a very good one. Zapier, you use it for automation. Unbounce, again for landing page. Typeform is for the survey. I recommend you to go for the Google form for the survey. Don't use this one. And Optimost lead generation tool. This is in the messenger, normally automatic response. Canva is for designing. This is a very good one. Rest, if you have time, use it. If you don't have time, don't go for that. Email marketing, ConvertKit is good. All for email marketing, learn about MailChimp. MailChimp is quite popular one. Or Active Campaign or the ConvertKit. You can use any one of these, but the ConvertKit is better. For SEO, here is SEO, Google Search Console, Scrubs, and Screaming Frog. Don't go for all of these, you know, unless you want to be a digital coach, you know, go for them. Otherwise, don't do. Google Search Console is good enough. You know, if you want to give the service, go for this. This is a free SEO tool. And Ashraf, all these are paid. Okay, this is Most Pro. This is Ashraf. All these are paid. So if you want to go for free, Google Search Console, this is good enough. Go for that only. For web analytics, I told you Google Web Analytics is free, so go for this. This is good enough. Now in advertising, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Twitter, Quora, I have given more list. But at least the 4 are given here, so you can learn that. The video making and editing tools, it gives screen flow, but I asked you to go for the Camtasia, okay? So Camtasia.com, please go for Camtasia.com and get 14 days free trial and work on that. If you find good, go for that. Otherwise, look for the free version. Learning management system, the Teachable and Thinkific, both are paid version. I recommend you for Thinkific. If you want to go in the sophisticated, then go for the Kajabi, but not now. Only now try with Thinkific. Free trial, all paid version, don't buy now, okay? पैसा छ भन्दैमा buy नगर्नुस्. Free trial लाई try गर्नु, trial लाई free जुन 14 days को free trial दिएको हुन्छ त्यसमा चाहिँ try गर्नुस्, and once you find okay, if you're comfortable, then go for the paid version. Web hosting and cloud storage, not necessary now. This is more technical. यो चाहिँ मैले भने पनि छैन, don't go for this. Online payment tools, don't do this. InstaMojo and Raspo, this is only for India. हामीसँग छैन यो. So यो सिकेर के फाइदा छैन. नेपालमा चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि ई-सेवा र खल्ती छ, हैन? ई-सेवा and खल्ती, and there are some banking online payment system also, so you can work with them. podcast anchors, they are free tools also, lots of free tools, you can use them. Lead generation, this is very important. Or Mailshake, Mailshake also very good one. Okay, ये चारवटा टुलहरु they are very good, excellent tools. So राम्रोसँग यो सबै टुलहरु युज गर्नु, हेर्नुस्, किनभनेदेखि lead generation and prospecting एकदमै important हो, एकदमै very critical, very crucial, very important tool for the lead generation or the automation or marketing. यो चाहिँ पार्टमा राम्रोसँग तपाईले हेर्नुस्. भिडियो कन्फरेन्सिङ टुलमा जुम हामीले युज गरिरहेको हो, गोटोमिट युज गरिरहेको हो, गुगल मिट युज गरिरहेको हो. So these are the tools that you can learn. यति गरिसकेपछि then you decide, okay, कुनमा गर्ने भनेर you can decide, then you can start working. Okay, gradually, if you are already working, it will help you to be more perfect. If you are zero from zero, like I was zero, okay, मैले zero बाट सुरु गरे हो, I think now I am good enough for my company or share some idea. I'm not expert, but I can at least share some ideas for you guys and help you guys. So यो गरिसकेपछि पनि तपाईहरुले at least म के गर्ने, कहाँबाट सुरु गर्ने भनेर डिसाइड गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, and you can start. Okay, you can start working for your own agency or work as a freelancer or get a good job. Okay, so that you can do. Now I think we almost at the end. I will share you the contact, our telephone number 4785-339-4786-439. You can reach me from email sk@professionaledu.np or sk@bizwithsk.com. Professional edu or bizwithsk. This is my personal website. This is my company website. Facebook link. Please follow and like our Facebook page. अब यसमा तपाईहरुको केही क्वेशनहरु छ भनेदेखि I am ready to answer you. Isha, make sure that you send the link, training को link चाहिँ सबैलाई पठाइदिनु उहाँहरु सबैजनालाई, so that they can log in, they can register and they can log in right from today.
Yes, I've already shared the link in the chat box, so I'll also email.
This is digital marketing. Isha, this is not a free one, Isha. This is not the free one.
The free one is on the above one. This one needs to be paid, yes. I've sent in the above one.
No. This is your batch 3 one is okay, Isha. This is not the free one. You need to check the batch 3 one, Isha. Okay, let me check. Just hang on, please. Just 1 minute. I will find the link, then I will share with you.
Okay.
Just hang on, action. I will find the link for you guys. Isha, you must be having, no?
I have the same one, and this is free in my site.
No.
I'm able to.
That is the paid one. It's my access model now. They have to pay for that.
I'll email them, so no worries. I'll email them once you send it to me. I'll email to everyone.
Okay, I think Isha, you need to email them, right?
Yes, sir.
Make sure you have the correct email. हुन त सबैको छँदैछ हैन, सबैजनालाई त्यो इमेल गरिदिनु. Okay, I got it here. Okay, I have here. Okay, this is the link. You can copy this link and then go into this link. Okay, here. Okay, digital marketing tool mastery. यसमा क्लिक गर्दाखेरि फेरि मेरोमा पुग्न सक्छ. Let me check. Yeah, this is my paid one. So यसमा किनभनेदेखि same window. But this link is already shared here. You please copy that link and open in a window, and then follow this. Enroll in course, then put your name and email ID, and then accept, then continue with the course. Okay, register and continue with the course. Then you will have that page which I showed you before. The page पुगिन्छ. Then you start one by one. माथिदेखि गर्दै 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 जानु. There are so many tools. I think you don't need to go through that all of them. यसमा आफूले हेरेर गर्नु. Obviously, if you want to have certificate, सबै गर्नु. If you don't need certificate is not a big deal. Okay, learning is the main important. The purpose is the learning. So त्यसमा main कुराहरु जुन मैले देखाएको थिएँ त्यो कुराहरु तपाईले सिक्नुस्. And if any problem there, please let me know. You can write me email. मैले email पनि share गरिसके तपाईहरुलाई. Isha, you can please put email once again. तपाईलाई कुनै पनि confusion छ, problem छ भनेदेखि you can directly write to me, or you can call me, okay, in the number that we said to you. So I think this is all for today. I'll be coming up again with Facebook Mastery or the Video Influencer, maybe in 10 days or 2 weeks time. Please join me that time also. And दुई हप्तामा पक्कै पनि तपाईले केही न केही सिक्नुहुन्छ होला. Then I really want to learn, I want to see what you have done. Isha, I want you to answer this, right? Isha, let me see what you know or not. Facebook ma boost garda Instagram same page ko mani boost huncha bhane sodeko cha. Isha, you know the answer?
Yes, actually, if the Facebook, we need to connect the Instagram with the Facebook page, and boost garda feri chai त्यो सँगै options haru huncha हाम्रो Facebook र Instagram कुन boost गर्ने भनेर त्यो connect भएको छ भने चाहिँ सँगै boost हुन्छ.
Normally, Nishal Shrestha, when you do boost in the Facebook page, please do in the same thing in the Instagram also, because Instagram ko targeted audience फरक छ, Facebook को targeted audience फरक छ. मलाई किनभने Instagram मा more teenagers छ, Facebook मा पनि छ. They are both, but they are more active. The engagement को जुन कुरा हुन्छ नि, how much, what time they spend in Facebook and what time they spend in Instagram भन्ने भनेदेखि the teenagers, they spend more time in the Instagram, even though they have both accounts. Okay, so you can do the same thing, boosting, same ad design in both Facebook and Instagram. Okay, thank you very much for attending this program. Then hopefully this is useful to all of you, and I hope to see you next time.